Alright guys, this is what I'm wearing today. And I think I'm gonna bring this bag. Yeah, and I have the Gucci sandals that I'm gonna wear. But this is just a simple, you know, like everything is from Zara. And this, I don't need to wear a bra with it. I'm gonna put it on and show it to you guys. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna wear my glam visory accessories. Oh, my nails are pretty, just full white. All right, let me get dressed. So guys, this is the IF Orlando. Well, this is what you go in, so you could see all of Orlando. I thought it was different, so I could do it. Something that I would do. But I would like for the kids and everybody to experience it. So that's it. So we're trying to find where we're going.
Sugar Factory.
We're going to the Sugar Factory. Because like I said, we had changed where we were going first. So we're going to find the Sugar Factory. And we are on International Drive, right? Mm-hmm. Is that Jamaican Court? Is it Court? Mm-hmm. Oh, damn. We got a street down here. Do we have some jerk chicken, some jerk pork, some original KFC? What's going on?
Because it's the original KFC.
Because over there, fake. Oh, he's probably bringing you to the parking lot.
Parking garage?
I can't park flat over there, so. Because we have to go come back. I see if we can get a parking right there. So.
Okay.
Instead of going in the garage. Yeah, parking over there.
So, we're gonna figure out parking, but there's a lot of people. Like, I need to bring my whole family and enjoy this stuff, because while we hear like, oh, this and that, we could be enjoying, and the kids need to, you know, experience some more. I personally, you know, not really big on it, but you could the kids could experience all of this. So we are going to find a parking space and then get on up with eating. So wait there, where's the Sugar Factory?
Is that right this one?
Oh, I didn't see, and I'm vlogging. I should be seeing that. But anyway guys, I'll keep up back with you guys as soon as we get a parking spot, and then we inside the restaurant.
Mm-hmm. And then we're going to go up on South Street.
Yeah, 500 feet, which is not here, so.
When singer come here, he has to sing a stairs and Chrissy.
Jackson?
No, look. Bohemian, you didn't miss it. The hotel there?
Oh, yeah.
The one regular place. You know where Johnny is?
Right there?
Grand Bohemian. See, so
Oh, yeah. Oh, they have a brunch place.
Look at this, guys. Still my park. You think they would love that?
of course.
That I think?
It keeps going up too.
Oh my God, that thing is too high.
To the top, you know that, right?
I know.
It comes all the way back.
Kids them would love it.
They would love
You
it.
would probably have to sit down with Kyra, but Jill and Quinn.
So guys, we are out. You have a mask? Everybody got their mask? So yeah, skirt look like it want dry down. It's been a while I don't wear skirt, guys. Woo, got here a balloon. Need a picture for this man. I have my cameras. I need to take a picture. And then the falling out. There's a lot of people out here. People them outside.
And the man them outside.
Yeah, Johnny Shebo should have found the man them outside. Which side? Guys, we are approaching the Sugar Factory now. It's right here.
Oh no.
going on it?
Where Tiny, you coming, right?
You going, Tiny?
Tiny said, yeah.
Alright, so where are we heading to? So guys, we start with our appetizer. That's the spinach dip. This is a popcorn shrimp. We have fries. Woo! And we got the rainbow burgers. My favorite color is red. So
I have purple and they have royal.
yeah, so I'll take the red. These are really good.
That's okay with bacon or royal.
Oh yeah.
Bacon?
I mean, yeah.
You bacon with bacon? No? What is good?
Alright guys, I'm gonna try this burger. My cousin said she take the green for money.
Them rainbows, guys.
I'm
Red.
Curry did.
I got purple
royal and Tiny favorite color is yellow. And Johnny's don't matter.
And blue. Johnny's is blue, feeling blue. That's a yellow mellow. Oh, let me get some ketchup.
This is really good.
Spinach dip, guys. Spin dip. Really good. No, tropical. Tropical.
Yeah, sorry. So they are vlogging on the camera.
That's your job?
Just give me camera.
Curry.
Camera.
What is seafood nice?
Oh my god, the salad looks good.
Where are my mangoes, Chrissy? You forgot my mangoes.
Me and Tiny got the same thing. Guys, this is my second meal because the first one was too salty. I'm just having a salad.
He should be modest. He should be modest.
I'm gonna show you. Don't do this.